How to save your snap code to camera roll on Snapchat. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to save your snap code to camera roll easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Snapchat. This is the home page. Go here in the top corner, click on your snap code, scroll down and click on save to camera roll. After you click on it, it will be saved to your camera roll easily and fast. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.